Okay, now here we have an application of linear and quadratic function. At the first question here, it is about what? It is about the demand and supply. So this one, it is from practice on lecture 6. If they ask you if the demand of for a pair shoes is given by this one, by this equation or by this function, and the supply function, he give you the supply function. He asks you to find the equilibrium point and shock price. Also, find the slope curve of the demand and supply function. Okay, now how to solve this problem? To solve this one, it should be the quantity is equal to find the equilibrium point. We say that Q of D is equal to Q of S. We know that the QD is the what? It is quantity demand and QS is a quantity supply. Okay, now we have that the quantity demand 2P plus 5Q, this Q, what it will be QD equal to 200. Okay, now to solve this one as presented by Q, where Q is will be the dependent variable, so we will transfer 2B to another side. You will get that 5Q is equal to 200 minus 2P. Okay, so you will divide it by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. You will get that QD, okay, is equal to 40 minus 0.4P. Okay, now this one, it will be what? It will be for the quantity demand. Now for the quantity supply, we have that the price P minus 2Q is equal to 10. So you will transfer it to another side. We get that minus 2Q is equal to 100 is equal to 10 minus P. Then you will divide it by minus 2 divided by minus 2 divided by minus 2. You will get that Q is equal to minus 5 plus 0.5P. Okay, as we know here, this one, it is what? Quantity supply. Okay, now we will find what? We have to find the QD is equal to QS. We will find the equilibrium point. So QD is equal to a QS. I got that QD is 40 minus 0.4 P is equal to minus 5 plus 0.5 P. Okay, take it to another side. So you will get, we take the price with the price and the unit with the unit. I like 10. So 40, it will be plus 5 equal to 0.5 P but plus 0.4 P. Okay, here you will get 45 equal to 0.9 P. So you will divide it here by 0.9. So divided by 0.9 divided by 0.9. So P, it will be equal to what? You will say 45 divided by 0.9, which is equal to 50. So the price here, it's equal to 50. Okay, now Q of S, how we will get the Q, the quantity? To get the quantity, guess we substitute in one of the equation, the first one or the second one. So we will substitute in here. So what you will get? Q is equal to 40 minus 0.4 multiplied by 50. Okay, so Q, it will be equal to 40 minus 0.4. Will open a bracket for 50 multiplied by 50. You will get this one is equal to 20. Okay, so I got that Q is equal to 20. Now then, okay, then the equilibrium point. So the equilibrium point Okay, the equilibrium point. Then the equilibrium point, you will write that equilibrium point. Okay, it will be Q naught, P naught. Okay, which is will be 20, and here we get the price is what? Is 50. Okay, so this will be the equilibrium point. Now this equilibrium point, it is dependent to your graph. Will be dependent to your graph. Okay, now here he asks you to find the quantity, the choke price. So we know that by the formula that the choke price is equal to what? The choke price, okay, it will be equal to, so this choke price, it will be what? The quantity demand is equal to 0. Okay, so we will say that the quantity demand is equal to 0. So QD, this one for the choke price. Okay, for the choke price. Okay, choke price. So the quantity demand QD is will equal to 0. So QD is equal to 0. We say that 40 minus 0.4 P is equal to 0. So we have to find this point. So we have to find this price. Yes, we transfer it to another side. So what we get? We get that 40 P, 40 is equal to 0.4. Okay, P divided by 0.4, we will divide it by 0.4. So we get that the price is equal to what? 40 divided by 0.4. You will get it is equal to 100. Okay, so the price is equal to 100. Okay, now he wants from you to find what? Also to find the slope. Okay, how we will get the slope of the curve? He wants from us to find the slope of the curve of the demand and supply function. As we know that to find the slope, okay, we know that the slope is equal to presented by m if we have the straight line equal to line, the straight line, the equation of straight line mx plus c. Okay, now we have that qd is equal to 40 or minus 40 minus 0.4p. So the slope, it will be minus 0.4. It is what? It is the coefficient of what? Of the price. It will be the coefficient of price. As also we know that to find the slope, we say that the equation is what? It's we know that the slope, it is what? It is the coefficient of x. Okay, it is the coefficient of x. So we got that the slope of this line, the slope is of the QD, the slope of QD is minus 0.4. Okay, and for the quantity QS, okay, he wants also from us to find the slope. So the slope, we represent the slope by small m, so it will be 0.5p plus minus 5 plus, so we know that QS is equal to minus 5 plus 0.5p. So this one, the slope, okay, it will be is 0.5. So the slope only, it will be the coefficient. Okay, it will be the coefficient of p.